Next checklist is voltage available. Ibig sabihin may voltahe na yung bus bar natin. So letter A is start main engine, compress air compressor. Letter B is fill main engine lube oil sump tank. Letter C is fill hot well. D is fill auxiliary boiler. E is start burner on MDO. And letter F is prepare the stern tube and shaft. So, ito muna. Yan.
Start air receiver number 2 refilling valve should be open.
So, air receiver number 1 and number 2. Yan. Buksan daw natin yung refilling valve.
Start air receiver number 1 refilling valve should be open.
Number 2, number 1.
Start air compressor number 1 switch position should be set to auto.
So, pagkabukas natin ng dalawa na to, i-auto na tong compressor number 1 at number 2. Ayun. Kasi yung linya niyan, ayan, papunta dyan. So, nasaan yan? Yung control niyan. Nandito sa control panel. Ayan siya. Auto.
Start air compressor number 2 switch position should be set to auto.
Number 2, auto. Ayan.
Okay. Now, press close checklist button to close the checklist window.
Since naka-auto naman siya, itong receiver na to, the moment na ma-reach niya yung desired pressure niya around 30, automatic mag-switch off yung compressor para hindi ma-overpressure yung tangke natin. Okay, next checklist. And again, ayun, yung linyada niya. So, remember, may drain yan para sa water accumulation o receiver. Yan. And then, mamaya, i-discuss. O, the next video, i-discuss natin yung mga valves na yan tsaka mga lines na yan. Next checklist. Yan.
You can start the next checklist right now.